Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to part 5 of this shed build. We got kids right here playing around on the playground. Everybody say hi. Matthew, hi. You don't care? I don't care. So I still have to do this side, panels on this side, and then install one 2x4 support on this side and on the other side, just like I did on that side right here. That one. Then after I install plywood on this side, do the fascia boards, do the siding, do the floor on top. I'll probably do the floor on top after I do the roof panels. That way I can walk through the wall back and forth if I need to, so I don't have to walk around each time. And then after the floor is done, then I will install the siding walls. So and then after that is done, then I'll start doing roofing with the black paper and the shingles, etc. And then we'll go ahead and paint the whole shed. We actually wanted to paint this shed and that shed at the same time. So let's begin, let's get this done and finally finish this project. Alrighty, let's go.
Alright guys, so it looks like I'm gonna have to cut this video short, and this will be part 4.5. I know I'll finish this on part 5. That's why this is gonna be called a 4.5 part. But I've been trying really hard to get as much done as possible. And I hope you guys understand that it's a little bit hard working night shifts and with the kids and family and having truck projects on the side here and there. So I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys forgive. But this is where I'm at so far, and the walls are pretty much finished. I still have to screw them everywhere, but I just did temporary screws just to have them in place. And I still have to figure out what door size I'll be putting in there. I just kind of put the panels on temporary right here. I'm probably gonna do a bigger door than it is right now, but we'll see. We'll get to the point after I actually find the door size that I like. Now the next step is gonna be to put on black paper on the roof and actually roof it, and then we'll start painting. Maybe I'll do some trim on the corner, maybe on the bottom, and actually start painting the shed and finish up the top panels. But everything else is pretty much done, so this will be part 4.5 of this project, and part 5 is going to be pretty much the finalization of the whole thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this shed project. Let me show you the back real quick so you guys can see what it kind of looks like. So now it pretty much looks like one big shed instead of a white box. And when I'll paint the whole thing, it'll be one color. So it's not even gonna there's not gonna be no separation in between. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another video and more projects, and we'll see you guys next one. See ya!